Fix your laptop camera for Zoom and Meet. Welcome to Tech Vibes. Is your camera failing right before a big meeting? It is incredibly frustrating when you are ready to go, but the screen stays black. Don't worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. I have gathered the best working solutions for you. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment. I will reply within 1 hour. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. First, check for a physical privacy shutter. Many modern laptops have a small slide right over the lens. Make sure it is open and the lens is clear. Also, look for a camera key on your keyboard. It is often the F8 key or a dedicated icon. Press it once to toggle the camera on. Now, let's check your app settings. In Zoom, go to Settings, then go to Video. Ensure the integrated camera is selected. For Google Meet, click the 3 vertical dots, then go to Settings, then go to Video to verify your hardware selection. Check your browser permissions. In Chrome or Edge, click the lock icon next to the URL address in your browser. Ensure the camera is set to Allow. Refresh the page to apply the changes before you start your meeting. Next, check your Windows privacy settings. Go to Settings, then go to Privacy, then go to Camera. Toggle on Allow apps to access your camera. Make sure the specific apps like Zoom are also allowed in the list below. Is your driver up to date? Right, click the Start button, then go to Device Manager, then go to the Cameras section. Right-click your camera and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for the latest software. Check your antivirus software. Some programs block the camera for privacy. Look for webcam protection settings and disable them temporarily. Keep your system updated. Go to Settings, then go to Windows Update, then select Check for updates to install the latest fixes. If you use an external camera, ensure it is plugged in securely. Try a different USB port if the camera is not detected. We have covered everything from physical switches to drivers. Your camera should be working perfectly now. Troubleshooting takes a little patience, but you did a great job fixing it yourself. Stay confident and enjoy your next meeting. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. See you next time.